talked about the NMDA receptor, but in short, know that it's an important receptor in the brain. When I'm talking about receptors, these are at the synapse where neurons communicate with each other. So one neuron will put out neurotransmitters, so chemicals, and they will bind another receptor on the next nerve. And so NMDA is one of those receptors. And what binds it is glutamate. So the NMDA receptor is being looked at in a lot of psychiatric research now. Ketamine is something that will act on the NMDA receptor, so you hear a lot about ketamine. There's a lot of medications in the works that are also looking to target the NMDA receptor. NAC is a supplement, and I talk about this in the newsletter. It also will help downregulate activity at that receptor. Individuals who have addiction, OCD tendencies, or a prevalence to getting stuck in terms of a thought or a memory often have high activity at the NMDA receptor. So those of us who are undermethylated can have high activity there. Those who are overmethylated actually can have low activity at that receptor. When there is high activity at that receptor, we can have what's called weak memory extinction. So weak memory extinction, what that looks like in terms of symptoms, is getting stuck. So that could be ruminations, it could be flashbacks with PTSD, it could be obsessions with OCD, it could be cravings and addiction. And so again, that reflects too much activity at that receptor. So while there are things that are being looked at to lower activity there, things like NAC and certain medications, those are all very important. Zinc is something that helps regulate that receptor. So if those other things are being done and zinc is not optimized, that could be missed opportunity.